I also parked here this many. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many color combination, 6 toy vehicle here, all are nice and beautiful. So now I will hand drive one by one all of this toy vehicle with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a police car. I parked here this police car. This is a white, black and silver color combination realistic model, this police car. Next one is a Cartooni car. I parked here this Cartooni car beside this police car. See this car, this is green, black, white and yellow color combination this car, and here is also 2 eyes. Now I will drive this horse with alien. I parked here this horse with alien beside this car. See this horse with alien, this is yellow and red color combination. Next one is here a super bus. I parked here this super bus beside this horse. See this super bus, this is a wrap super bus, red, black and white color combination this bus. And here is many wrap sticker. And now I will drive this mini Captain Jeep. I parked here this mini Captain Jeep. This is a realistic model mini Captain Jeep. Here is black, green and yellow color combination this Jeep. Last one is here a Cartooni drum truck. I also parked here this mini Cartooni drum truck. This is pink, paste and purple color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. And friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel. Tata, bye bye.